This animation you're watching right now was created with free AI tools, no 3D software, and no animation experience required. AI can generate amazing cartoon-style animation now, but one problem still ruins most AI videos: character consistency. One scene looks perfect, and then your character changes in the very next shot. In this video, I'll show you a simple workflow that keeps your character consistent from start to finish. We'll go through 4 easy steps using free tools so you can create clean, high-quality AI cartoon animations, even if you're a complete beginner. And yes, this is the exact animation we are creating today.
Look at all the birds! Whoa, this is wobbly!
You can do it!
Someone's been here. Let's follow. We're close! I knew it! There you go, little one. Safe now. We did it! Teamwork!
To make it easy, I've shared all the prompts in the pinned comment so you can copy, paste, and follow along without guessing anything. Let's jump in. Step 1. Build the full animation blueprint in ChatGPT. First, open the pinned comment and copy the master prompt. Paste it into ChatGPT and hit Generate. In a few seconds, ChatGPT creates the full package for you, including the complete story script, clear character descriptions, text-to-image prompts for your characters and every scene, image-to-video prompts for each scene with the dialogue already included. So after step 1, you're not stuck experimenting. You already have the story, the visuals, and the exact prompts to make the full animation. Step 2, create your characters and scene images in Qwen. Now we generate the visuals. Open Qwen, and yes, Qwen is completely free to use. Select image generation, then set the correct aspect ratio, for example, 16:9 for YouTube, or 9:16 for Shorts. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the character prompt that includes both characters together. Paste it into Qwen and hit Generate. In just a few seconds, you'll get a super detailed 3D style image with both characters in the same frame. The lighting looks clean, the textures look sharp, and they already feel polished and animation ready. The boy and the animal both look amazing. Their details, expressions, and overall render quality come out incredibly clean and high-end, and because they're generated together, their style and proportions match perfectly from the start. Now, it's time to generate the scene images. This is where the story starts to feel real. Copy the Scene 1 text-to-image prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into Qwen, and click Create. Boom! Your first scene appears with cinematic lighting and solid detail. And most importantly, both characters look clear and consistent in the frame. Now go back to ChatGPT, copy the Scene 2 prompt, paste it into Qwen, and generate. Scene 2 comes out with the same polished style. The characters still match, and the world feels cohesive. Next, copy the Scene 3 prompt, paste it into Qwen, and generate again. And again, the consistency holds up. Same character identity, same style, and the scene feels like part of the same animation. Now repeat the same workflow for the remaining scenes. Copy the scene prompt from ChatGPT, paste into Qwen, generate. Once all your scene images are ready, we move to animation. Step 3. Turn your images into studio-style 3D animation clips using Grok. Now that all your scene images are ready, it's time to bring them to life using Grok. Grok lets you generate high-quality, watermark-free animated clips, so your shots already look polished and ready to use straight out of the tool. It genuinely feels like you're getting studio-style results from an AI anyone can access, and you can animate your clips for free. Open Grok and click Imagine. You'll see lots of videos other people have created, but we don't need to experiment or guess because ChatGPT has already prepared the exact image-to-video prompts with dialogue for every scene. Upload your first scene image into Grok. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the first image-to-video prompt, including all the dialogue, paste it into Grok, and click Generate. In just a few seconds, that still image turns into a full animated shot. Look at all the birds! The motion feels smooth, the expressions look alive, and the talking is surprisingly believable. And remember, this is high-quality, watermark-free animation. Then, upload your second scene image, copy the second image-to-video prompt from ChatGPT with the dialogue included, paste it into Grok, and generate again. Grok creates another clean, consistent clip. Whoa, this is wobbly! You can do it! The characters look the same, the movement flows nicely, and the dialogue lines up well with the mouth shapes. This is where it stops feeling like random AI shots and starts looking like one continuous story. Do the same for your third scene image. Upload the image. Copy the third image to video prompt with dialogue. Paste it into Grok and click Create Video. Once more, Grok delivers, the animation stays consistent, the reactions match the moment, and the lip sync is still on point. Someone's been here. Let's follow. By now, you're basically building your full animated sequence one shot at a time, still with no watermark on any clip. Follow this same process for all remaining scenes. Upload the scene image. Copy that scene's image to video prompt with dialogue. Paste into Grok. Generate. If you want even higher quality video, you can upscale directly inside Grok. You don't need to use any other website. After a clip is generated, click on the 3 dots on that video. Select Upscale Video. Grok will start upgrading the clip. Within a few seconds, your video is upscaled to HD quality and it still stays watermark free. Then just download each upscaled clip one by one. Once all your clips are finished and downloaded, you'll have a full set of high-definition, watermark-free, consistent animated shots ready to combine into one complete video. Step 4. Put it all together in CapCut. Now it's time to combine everything into one complete video. Open CapCut and create a new project. Import all the clips and drag them onto the timeline in the correct order. If you name your clips 01, 02, 03, and so on, it becomes super easy to keep everything organized. Next, add smooth transitions so the video flows. Go to Transitions. Pick a style that fits your scenes and keep it simple. Short transitions work best, around 0.3 to 0.5 seconds. So the pacing stays fast and engaging. Now let's upgrade the audio because sound makes the video feel alive. Add quick whoosh or swipe sound effects on transitions. Add light background music. You don't need paid music for this. You can use free background music from the YouTube audio library. Open YouTube Studio, go to the Audio Library tab on the left, and you'll see a huge list of copyright-safe tracks. Use the filters to choose a mood or genre that matches your animation, something like cinematic, happy, or adventure. Click the play icon to preview a few tracks, and when you find one that fits your story, click Download to save it to your device. Then import that music file into CapCut, drop it under your clips on the timeline, and lower the volume so it supports the dialogue instead of competing with it. After that, add captions for better retention. Go to Text, Auto Captions, Generate Captions, and choose a clean, readable font. Style them so they pop, and add a subtle pop-in animation so the video feels more energetic. Then do a final cleanup pass, trim awkward pauses, tighten the pacing, and make sure every scene hits smoothly. Finally, export your video in the best aspect ratio for your platform. And that's it. You just created a full animated story using AI, completely free. If this helped you, drop a like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next tutorial. See you in the next one.